Children, now we will know about the reproduction in amoeba. Now, there are two processes of reproduction in amoeba. The first one is the binary fission and the second one is the multiple fission. So let us know what is binary fission. The single cell of the amoeba will divide into two halves. As the amoeba is not having a particular shape and we know that the amoeba is irregular in shape, that is why the division of the cell can occur laterally or it can also occur longitudinally. And when the cell of the amoeba is dividing, then at first the nucleus will split equally and then the cytoplasm will also divide equally. And once the nucleus and the cytoplasm both have divided equally, the entire cell will divide to form two daughter cells. And these daughter cells will gradually grow into larger amoeba and finally they will become the parent amoeba cells, which will further divide during their reproduction. You can see in the picture how the binary fission is occurring in the amoeba cell. Now I will tell you the second process of reproduction in amoeba, that is the multiple fission. Now this process occurs under unfavorable conditions. This is not the natural way of reproduction in amoeba. This will occur only when the conditions are not suitable for the amoeba to reproduce. That means when the conditions are unfavorable, then what will happen? The amoeba will withdraw their pseudopodia inside the cell and it will almost become round. And after that it will secrete a hard covering and will form a cyst. It will form a hard covering around itself and this whole thing is called a cyst. Okay, and inside the cyst the nucleus will divide repeatedly to form many nuclei, and each nucleus will get surrounded by cytoplasm. So you can see in the picture that these small nuclei, each of them are getting surrounded by cytoplasm to form many daughter cells of amoeba that will be contained inside the cyst. And finally, when the conditions will become favorable again, then the cyst will burst and all these daughter cells will be released, and each of these daughter cells will again grow to form the mature parent amoeba.